Manufacturing is filled with challenges. Every day, millions of people around the world go to work on large projects and small projects. And whether this is your first day on the job or you've been around for a while, the one thing that's always on our minds is safety. We know the drill, and we know the personal protective equipment. But ask yourself one question. How clean is the air you're breathing? Since 1984, Diversitech has worked to meet the challenge of air quality control in all sectors of manufacturing, and it's been done with quality products, expert staff, innovation, and a demonstrated industry leadership. At Diversitech, air quality control is our business, and we have the people and experience to make sure that the air you breathe will always be clean. Please visit our website to discover how Diversitech can help solve your air pollution control problem.